not really YouTube worthy.
This is for YouTube.
Is it really?
Yeah. The YouTubers will hear your voice.
You're so famous for that.
Even in, bush gardens, when they have their food show, their birds don't always do exactly what they want. They don't just like being perfect all the time. Go ahead and start flying them. So he just flies backstage into his transport. In his transport, I have some food for him. So some rats or quail. And I cut it up in pieces, so he's weight managed. So I'm going to grab him again, and I'm going to slowly make it longer and longer flights for him. So just give me a minute, I'll be right back.
I came up here so I could get a better video. What? It's just a video.
Just the video?
Yeah, I'm not taking pictures.
The bird's back.
Stepped a little bit farther this time.
Show me what?
Pretty soon you're gonna go behind Antoine, right?
No, he's not to that point yet. Make sure this isn't tangled.
Look, right here. 1:58, 59. It's a video.
So I'm kind of working his end of his behavior when he's in this new show that we're going to be doing soon. What he actually will be doing, I'll come out here on stage, be talking, I'll cue him, I'll raise my glove, and he'll fly wherever we want him to. He'll fly to my gloves, and he'll fly over people's heads. And then when I'm done talking about him on stage, I'll just cue him, and then he'll fly backstage. So that's going to be the whole behavior eventually. So this is kind of the end of the behavior. So really, he'll eventually be doing an A to B to C behavior. I'm going to go grab him again, and then you guys can watch.
How many times is he gonna do it?
I do it about 8 times. It just depends on how much food I have.
In how many minutes?
I don't know how many minutes. It just depends on when he wants to do it.
This really is a video. Now stop.
Stop hiding.
Stop playing it?
You want me to stop hiding?
Yeah. Why are you hiding yourself? It's just a video. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. That way the YouTube viewers know that I'm putting this on YouTube. That way the YouTube viewers know everything about this kind of bird. Usually I put videos that are 10 minutes on there.
Do you ever edit your videos?
What do you mean edit them?
Edit means to make them shorter.
One of them I made really long, and I had to make it into 4 different parts because it was too long to go on there. But
You can edit your videos to make them more interesting.
Like you can cut out unimportant parts.
Unimportant parts and then just get to the point.
Why are you covering your face?
Why are you recording them?
It's not over yet.